right, so I got the keys to the GTR. So I haven't driven it. According to Ev, it's better than before. So let's see.
A-part tip redact.
What?
A-part tip redact. Scabber.
What are you? I already put it on fast mode. Evan told me the trick. And let's go drive it. And here we go. Oh my God. Yo, wait a minute. This is 91 only? The back end let loose instantly. Thank God I didn't take the traction control off. So the features in this car save my ass. Yo, this is insane. Woo! Yeah, she's fast. She's really fast. Damn. I like it though. It definitely wants to let loose right away. Then we should go wider tires. I don't even know if it's even possible. I haven't really looked at the car much. Without the safety features that this car has, the traction control, the stability control, without all that, this car will be undrivable, 100%. And this thing is all-wheel drive. Let's go. Oh, there you go. I lost again. This car is insane. I rolled out on second gear, and then I just stepped on the gas, and once again, it's trying to go sideways. So this thing, first and second, forget it. Super dope, super sick. Super impressed by this car. I'm gonna have to trade with him for a weekend. Give him the R8, or give him the Datsun, or the Cappuccino. Yeah, I'm gonna trade him. I'm like, hey man, I'm gonna trade you my car for yours for a weekend, and I'm gonna show up with the Cappuccino. So now that I'm back at the shop, I'm gonna bring the car inside. Some of the main things that we're gonna do, we are gonna be replacing this stereo unit. This is the stock stereo. That's the stock stereo that Evan doesn't like.
I think it's terrible. What'd you think?
Dude, the car's insane.
And is it the first time you've driven a GTR?
It is. It's the first time I driven one, and I've been on multiple passenger ones, but they were never tuned.
Stupid.
This thing is stupid fast. Dude, like first and second, undrivable. Yeah. You can't even touch this thing first and second.
Did you put it in mode 4?
I did.
All right, cool.
I did.
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
So the cool thing
That's
about
cool.
this head unit is I'll actually be able to program the tune through it as well. So
I haven't even told them. So we have a T-Rex head unit, which some people call it a Tesla screen for a GTR. So it deletes this and it deletes all of this. So all this becomes one big tablet from top to bottom, and it controls everything. One of the things that I noticed with this car is that it doesn't have a reverse either, like a reverse monitor.
Camera.
No camera.
I know.
The one that you have does.
Yeah, it does. This head unit was cool in 2010, but it's just very dated now.
Right.
And for like a modern car, for like a daily drivable aspect, you know, there's no Bluetooth audio, there's no reverse camera. I haven't even heard this audio system really at all.
So we are gonna fix all that today. We're gonna put a Tesla screen on it, which is what people call it, which is actually called a T-Rex. And then we're gonna add the Bluetooth, and we're gonna add a backup camera. We're gonna bring this thing back to 2021.
And if anyone is interested in the T-Rex product, check out the top link in the video description, and you can actually buy one from us and get your entries in to win the Mustang. So that's pretty cool too.
Hey, let's get to work now, baby. How you turn this off? Stop. Bam. This is the kit. This is the T-Rex kit we have here, and we put this green film just so we don't damage the screen while we're playing with it. But as you can see, it's pretty damn long. Really? He has never heard that before. Anyways, it's pretty long, and comparing the two, as you can tell, we are gonna be, all this is gonna be digital. So everything in here, the AC controller, the stereo controller, everything's gonna be transferred to this unit. And before we do that, obviously we gotta take this whole thing off. And I believe even this whole center console's gotta come off. And because we said we are gonna be adding the backup camera, we are gonna be running wires from here all the way to the back in the trunk. And I'm gonna show you that right now. We have a reverse camera here. And this reverse camera actually replaces the right license plate light, and it's a direct bolt-on. And all that needs to be ran through power and video. It's time to get to work. Now I have the 4G antenna right over here, and then I have the GPS antenna. They're just resting that. I'm not saying that that's going to be their final spot, but I just have them in this area because I know I'm either going to put it on the pillar or in the back of the dash. And I ran the wires all the way through here. These are the two, and I put green tape on the GPS antenna because they're literally both the same hookup, and I don't want to confuse the two. And I have this already ran here set. Quinn is working on the backup camera, and once we get the wire forward, then we can start installing the stereo. So I just got done playing in the front of the vehicle, messing with the harness and the new stereo. And back here, Quinn already ran the cables for the camera, as you can see, from there, and then the AV cable, which is the video cable. And this is the power cable for it. So the power cable is pretty simple. The black one goes to a ground, which we can actually mount here. And then the red one is gonna be the positive, which is what sends the signal to the camera to turn on. So we are gonna put these to the reverse light bulb wire, which is going to be this is the harness for the tail light. So we're going to grab from the main harness that's going to from the chassis, from the actual car, not the tail light, and we're going to grab the positive on the light bulb for the reverse, and we're going to attach it to that. And whenever we put it on reverse, it should send a signal to this, which is going to send a signal to the camera to turn on. We have this in place. We have the center, part of the center console and the push start button on. And then we have this is no longer being utilized, which is the stock CD player. That's no longer being utilized, obviously, because now we're using this. So that's just there just to cover a big old hole that would have been if we would have to remove that. But the original stereo and the monitor is being completely removed. I'm gonna get the keys, and then we are going to put the car on ACC, on accessories.
Pretty satisfying.
It is. ACC on. And there you have it.
Oh, doors are open.
Oh, doors are open. It even shows that. Volume down. I already hooked this up to Wi-Fi earlier, so let's see if it still works. It does. So the internet is working, and I can't play music because of copyrights, but so far everything is working, but we still need to finish. We still need to finish putting everything back up, so I'm gonna put everything back on. Oh, look at that. Negative 104 degrees.
It's freezing.
All right, I'll be right back.
That is so loud.
We need to fix that.
So loud.
Why is it so loud? Hey, keypad tone.
Loud.
Keypad tone.
That's on.
All right, now turn up the volume. Oh, you fixed it. What's that subwoofer button do? Oh yeah, that's at 0. Turn it up. No, the other one, top one.
Calm down.
Damn.
Hey,
Trying to blow the Bose system in here?
100%.
Can you play audio? Because I haven't heard any audio in here.
You can go to YouTube here.
All right.
Turn it up.
Don't stop now. It go now, 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 now. Okay, time to whistle.
Good job, dude. What I can get is the Ecotech software.
If you could run like logging through that.
I can. There it is right there. Ecotech. So is this plugged in?
Yeah, it's all plugged in.
It is.
It's on the OBD.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what he's doing right now.
There we go. Oh, we got the Ecotech software. Woo! Let's see. Dashboard. Dang! That's why they did that.
Yeah.
That's cool. So that's kind of like the original one. Damn, that's sick. Wow, that's cool. So map switching. Let's see. Oh, I can change those. So we're on 4 right now. So this should still work. Yeah. Boost controller, fuel pump, TPMS. Damn, we got everything on here. That's really cool. This to me is like, oops, my fat fingers. That to me is like the coolest thing. Kind of mimics the original GTR display. Yeah.
Gallery?
I think that's just images. Oh,
Whoa.
so I can change this. It comes with a lot of stuff. Wow. Well, Ricky, you killed it, and Quinn. Thank you so much for helping me. Now I can join the 21st century here and have a head unit that actually functions. Super cool. Before we end today's video, I want to take a couple people for a ride. So Quinn's in the car with me now, and I got a reverse camera now. Damn! I'm in the 21st century now.
All right, this is the first ride I've ever gotten in this thing.
All right, so I'm not gonna do launch control, but we've got it in triple R mode, and we'll just roll into it.
Oh my God. That is unnecessary. Wow. That's sick.
It just puts the biggest smile on everyone's face. Anyone who I take it for a ride, it's like, the tires are spinning too.
That is brutal.
Yeah.
I want one.
I need to.
Oh my God.
I need to get some better tires on here for sure. Because that was just rolling into first gear too.
Holy hell, man. That is so fast.
Stupid.
There is no reason it needs to be that fast.
Stupid.
That is crazy.
All right, so that's going to do it for today's YouTube video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you stuck around all the way to the end, thank you guys so much. I know I'm thoroughly enjoying myself, so it's the next day right now, and I've got a chance to really get to use the T-Rex Tech head unit, and it is blowing away all my expectations. I will say the original entertainment system was very dated, and now that I have this, I have music, I have Bluetooth, I have apps, I can control everything with touchscreen. It's just so much better. So yeah, shout out to Ricky and Quinn for knocking that out for me. I really appreciate it. And I want to say thank you to you guys for being so accepting of Quinn. Quinn obviously just joined the team full time, and he's been a tremendous help, and I'm super stoked that you guys like the content that he's put out for you guys so far. And also Ricky now is full time with us. So shout out to you guys for making this all possible and allowing the throtl team to grow. And as a result of that, we're going to be bringing you guys even more content and even more cooler builds. What you guys will see in some upcoming videos is just a lot more deeper fabrication and custom stuff happening here, and I'm just super excited for the future. So shout out to you guys for making this all possible for us, and for anyone who's purchased car parts or merchandise or anything and really supported us in that way too. That's awesome. Just watching the videos is cool too, so we appreciate you guys as well. And if you like this video and you are not subscribed, consider subscribing. It only takes a second, and you get notified when we post a new video. and we're gonna be posting a lot more of those. So yeah, shout out to you guys. We appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.